In this screencast, you're going to learn how to create a Google form to be used for evaluations as well as collecting participant information. That said, we've created the forms already, so you're not going to have to do any of that work. All you will have to do is copy the form and share the information back with us, which should only take about 3 to 5 minutes. So I want to show you how to do that so we can collect all the required information digitally and have a accurate and up-to-date database, which is really important with our new work with the Gates Foundation and the reports that we're going to be expected to submit. So we're going to use Google Forms, which is in Google Drive. What you see here is the SREB Gmail account, and this is where we're going to keep all of the information from the sessions that we do out in the field. And if you've given me your Gmail address, then I've shared this form with you, as well as the other forms that we'll be using. And by share, what that means is I've added you as a collaborator. I went to File, Add Collaborator, and I typed in your name, your Gmail address, and sent it to you. That means that you now have the form, and let me show you how that looks from your end and how to find it. So I'm going to log into my Gmail. And I'm going to go up here to these little boxes and click Drive. That's where all of the forms exist. In Drive, remember I added you, so that means I sent it to you. So from our end, the trainer's end, it's going to be in your incoming. And here it is, LDC Evaluation Feedback Form. So the form now is mine and I can do whatever I want with it. The problem is that this is one form, and we don't want all of the results from every training to be in one form. We want each training to have its own spreadsheet. That way, not everyone sees each other's results. If we all use this form, then all the results would be aggregated together and we would all have access to that, which is not necessary. So we need to make a copy of this form. I'm going to click File, Make a Copy. Then I'm going to change the name of the form from Original to Rock, and then I'm going to put the dates of my training, 1/20/14. Okay. So what this has done is it's created an entirely new form. And now every time I have another session, what I do is create a copy of the form and then give it an updated date. Every time I do a new session, I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy, Update the Date. And that's going to create a new place. So when I click on View Responses, it'll give us a blank sheet. This is where all the responses are going to be. Now, we need at SREB headquarters to have this information immediately. So once you've created your copy, there's one more step, and that's to go to share it with us, which will simply be share, and you'll type in ldc.sreb@gmail.com. For MDC, it'll be mdc.sreb@gmail.com. Click Send. And now we have, as the participants complete the form, we will all be able to see how well you did, how much they learned, and share that great feedback with everybody else. So that is the process for making copies of your feedback form and sharing it back with us. And the same process is going to go for the registration, which looks like this. So with this form, you'll have it incoming in your email. You'll make a copy up, and you'll change the date to whatever date it is in your name so that we can easily access it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to share this information with your participants so they can easily and quickly fill it out on their smartphones, tablets, or computers.